Hello everyone. Now when you get to that link on the email, what you need to do is you have to paste it on the top and click on it. Now here it will take you to this place where you are going to log into with the same account, the school account, because that's where I have given you the password or the link to this place on Canva. So you are going to sign in with that account. And then Canva will take you to this place. As you can see, I am on that account of the school, and you will have to go to this class on the left hand side, Frobel Education Center. And then, as mentioned in the workshop, these are the templates that you can choose from for creating your Meet the Teacher poster. Now here, this one at the bottom is for KG and primary teachers. This one also. Template 6 is also 5, 4. Now all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are for the kindergarten and the primary teachers. The rest can be used by the junior teachers because they look a little for the higher grade children, and these ones are simple and very precise so that the children can relate to it. So if you like any of these templates, the first thing you will do is you will click on it. And when you are going to click on it, I don't want that you make the changes on that. You make a copy. The moment you click on make a copy, it's going to open up this way. Now here, as I have told you in the workshop, that there are a few things you can do. Obviously, you will not take this picture. I will show you how to work around with colors. I will show you how to work around with font, how to work around with elements, and how to use, how to upload your picture also. So it is quite simple, but you can play around as much as you want and try different things also. Okay, this is all only a baseline given to you. Now, coming to the font, you know that this, if I click on this box, this top portion changes. Now, if you want to have a simpler area on the screen to on which you should be working on, click on this little bar. It's going to hide it. So now it's clean and no more hurdles on your way. Once I have clicked on it, you can see on the top, it is showing me the font that is being used here. I can scroll down and try different fonts. This looks cool. You can scroll down further and choose. You can change if you don't like and you want the previous one. On the top there is an option that says undo. Click on it and you can change the text color. This one is the text color. You can scroll down. If you don't want any of these colors, you can click here and then see which color strikes you more. You can change the font size also, make it bigger. You can even bold it. Now why it is coming out red? For the reason that some of the fonts are not there for bold. Now if I have chosen this, I can click on bold and unbold it also. Italic and underline. So these are the designing techniques for undo this. Designing techniques for the font. We are not working on the effects anymore because we are not creating a presentation. We are just creating a poster. Alright. And not an animated poster, a simple poster, just to begin with. Okay. Like I told you how to change the font, you can do the same thing here. Now, if you're talking about kindergarten and the primary teachers, your text should be very simple. You should tell them about your name, obviously, because they don't know who the teacher is, and then make it a bit exciting for them. Now, here, as you can see, it says, I went to the school as a student too, or something that they can have a little bit of connection before they see you on the very first day. You can talk about your hobbies, you can talk about any book that you like that they can also connect with, or any cartoon figure, or any program that you think that they also watch. So you can mention all these things so that the relationship is building up. So this was the text, how to work on the elements. Now if I click here, you can see I can go here. Okay, we are not working and adding any extra thing, but if you are familiar with changing this template, then you can try out different things later on. But to make your work easy, we have given you templates, so you can change the colors. Click on this, you can change the color like this. You can resize it, you can move it wherever you want. So the elements can be resized, elements can be moved around, and the pictures can be changed in color also. You can do the same thing with the text like you did with this one. You can change it, or you can even move it around, change the font size also. So if you want any more stickers like these, what you can do is you can go to elements and you can scroll down and see what kind of different stickers they have. Click on, you can go on graphics also. If you want these stars, just click and there you have. You can move around, put them on one side, add them wherever you feel like. If you want this, you can take this one also, put it on one side. You can even resize it. So these are the little things that you can try out if you are making Meet the Teacher. So your picture, up till now we have talked about working with the font, changing the element colors, changing the element size and moving them around wherever you want, or even clicking and deleting them. See, I can delete that also. So undo, if you click on it, you can even duplicate it. Click, and maybe you want 2, 3 of these. So you can do a few more other things by clicking on more. And for example, I want this flower at the back of this thing. You can click on send backward. Now it's over there. It's hiding. So that's it. What else you can do is, yes, how to upload this image. I hope you know that you have a Google Drive on which you can save your pictures. If you have any picture that you want to put it up on this poster, what you can do is save it on your Google Drive and click here. And no, not here. Click on uploads. And there it says images, videos and audio. Image is a picture. So it says where to get it from. This is the Drive, Google Drive option. I'm going to click here. It's going to help me connect. It's going to say all these things. Just continue clicking on connect, and then it's going to show me the file that I have over here. At the moment, I do not have. If you are willing to use another way of putting up a picture here, like you do not want to use the drive, you can click here, and for example the picture is saved on your computer, so you can click on upload files, and maybe you can use the picture that you already have. Click here. So it is uploading in your Canva drive. So click and drag and put it here. So it has taken the same place. Here again I can resize it and place it wherever I want. You can place it in the center, and then you have to play around with the shapes and the things that you want the children to know and put them around it. The last most important thing that I want to say here is that once you are done with it and you are happy with what you have written, seen the spelling errors especially, or even the sentence, the way it has been constructed, you are going to download it as an image, because I want in Google Classroom it should be put up as an image, not a PDF. So click on share. There are several ways of downloading it. When you click on download, PNG is the file name for images, PNG and JPEG. So here it says suggested. So we are going to let it be that way and then click on download. So where it is downloading on the device that you will be using. Right now I am on my laptop, so it is being saved on my laptop. So if I click here, so this is the poster. And how to put this poster on Google Classroom. So at the moment, I don't have a Google Classroom for this account. I can show you another one that I already have opened up. I'm going to go to Google Classroom. And then I'm going to go to any of the class that I want you to see. Okay, for example, that you got this poster approved by your coordinator. It is a must that your coordinator should approve it before you post it on your Google Classroom for the children. You will click here. I'm not going to reuse it. So I want to make an announcement. I want this to be uploaded. So I will click on upload. I will click on browse. And this is the thing that I want here. This was the poster. So this is the image that is going to go on Google Classroom. So, and here you can write a welcome note to the children. So this is the first step towards building a very strong bond with your children. That you are going to greet them, tell them about yourself through this poster, and then continue with the relationship. All right, see you. Bye-bye.